Secretary General Antonio Guterres, I salute our distinguished hosts, distinguished guests. Thank you very much for bringing us together here at this stunning coastline, an ocean we've all seen. It inspired painters like Matisse and Chagall and many more, but we all know that the ocean is so much more than just inspiration. It is life. It feeds us, it cools us, it connects us to the world. And together we have taken many important steps to protect our ocean. And I think today we can celebrate the first results, but at the same time we must step up our efforts. Because we all know that, and we've heard it just, the ocean is still in crisis, and without action we risk our future. So I want to be very concrete. Let me give you 3 examples where Europe takes action. First of all, when France hosted the One Ocean Conference in Brittany 3 years ago, it built global momentum for the High Seas Treaty. My predecessor spoke about it. And we all know the treaty is a crucial instrument to protect our ocean beyond borders. And indeed, we made it. The treaty was agreed and adopted. And today we're inches away from the 60 signatures for ratification. So, to bring the High Seas Treaty to life, Europe will contribute 40 million euros to the Global Ocean Programme. So I ask you all today, please speed up ratification, because our ocean needs us to play its part. The second announcement from Europe today is the incredible digital twin of the ocean. I announced it 3 years ago in Brest. Today we proudly present the first demonstration version. It's an amazing tool that helps us better understand the ocean, from pollution to navigation, but also from risk for our coasts to biodiversity, you name it. We won't stop here. We heard the call from France and others to invest heavily in ocean research. So building on the digital twin, we launch a new ocean observation initiative. It will give vital data to everyone who relies on the ocean, and it will help to make Europe a global leader in ocean science, technology, and security. I call on all countries here today to join Europe in this mission. And finally, we will this afternoon present the Ocean Pact of the European Union. It's the first ever pact for the ocean in the European Union. If we all play our part, we can save our ocean. Jacques Cousteau once said, "The sea, the great unifier, is man's only hope." Now, as never before, we are all in the same boat, but by working together, we can make it happen to have a good future of the ocean. It's in our hands. Thank you so much.